Okay everyone, hi. So this is the Sew Sampler. I decided to join a monthly subscription for quilting. I wanted to see, there's so many out there, you guys, so many out there that I was like, wow, I was shocked at how many are out there. But I mean, why would I be shocked considering how many there are for our, paper world? So for scrapbooking and card making, I'm like, but I had no idea until I started watching YouTube, and then I'm like, oh my gosh. So I started a kit subscription with this one. This is the Fat Quarter Shop. This is their name, Fat Quarter Shop. I'll link it below, and let's see what we get together. So this is how they open it. Oh, and I think there's a coupon code, so I was supposed to not show that because it's exclusive. So let me see. I did that once, and yeah, you're not supposed to do that apparently. So okay, I think it's in there somewhere, I don't know, but oh, look at what we get. Okay, so let's go with the simple thing. So we have a little sailboat. That's the thing. I wonder, oh, it's Nantucket. It's Nantucket, you guys, from Camille Ross Kelly from Moda. Oh my goodness. Yay. Oh, look at a half rectangle trimmer. Great for scraps and layer cakes. Ooh, how fun is that? So let's see. It is, oh, look how cute. Oh, well, yeah, let me check that out. Okay, and then we got magic pins. Oh, I just saw these at Hobby Lobby, and my mom was like, get those, and I'm like, no, Mom. I'm like, they're not on sale, and those are, they're from these guys, and I'm like, they're not on sale, I'm not grabbing them. So she's like, all right, and I'm like, yeah, she just wanted to say I was cheapskate, but yeah, look at, now I got some. Yay. And that's cool. They're heat resistant. And then we get, ooh, we get some, ooh, nice. I needed, this is what you'll see my Hobby Lobby haul, but I needed some nice pins because all I have is thick. Select Pin Tin contains 100 glass head pins. Yay. So these, oh, look how nice this is. Oh, nice little case. Oh, so they're nice and thin, you guys. Oh, I needed some of these, so I bought some at, oh, and it's magnetic. I bought some at Hobby Lobby. But that's cool. Now I got more, so that's, yep, happy. And let's see. This is a quilt along. Oh, so each month, I guess you get a block. You get a block of the month sort of thing. You can follow Bliss Quilt Along, so you can follow along with that if you wanted to. That's cool. So that's a pattern. And then look at this Sail Away quilt pattern. What's it look like? Is that a bird? What is that? I can't tell. Can you guys tell what it is? What is that? It's I don't know. I am not good at that. I don't know what it is, you guys. I thought it was gonna be a sailboat, but it doesn't look like a sailboat to me. I don't know, but it's really pretty though. So it's really pretty. And then look, we get a layer cake, which it should be a layer cake. Oh, this is Moda, so let me see. So, in this this kit I got for half off your first subscription, and then after that, I think, oh my gosh, do I know? I don't know. It's between $30 or $40, so that's what I think it is, but I'm not positive. Yeah, this is Fat Quarter Squares. Oh wow, I love it. I only bought the charm packs, so because yeah, and so yeah, so now I got the layer cake. Awesome. Oh, I love it. Okay, so great. Yeah, I'm loving it. So I don't know, I'll know next month to write it down, because like I said, the first one is half off. So I think I paid wait, did I pay $23 for it? So yeah, so it's almost $50. But a layer cake itself is like that much. So basically you get the rest of it for free. So that's pretty good. There's a lot of videos that do the breakdown. I think So Becca, B-E-C-C-A is an S-E-W. I think she does the all of the quilt subscriptions, and she breaks down what you get and what the value of it is and stuff. So I don't know if I'll remember to link her channel or not, but if not, then that's just put in the YouTube quilt subscription kits. All right, guys, we'll see y'all next month. Bye.